Hey there, fellow book lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into something super basic but essential: how to turn off your Kindle Paperwhite 2025 model. Whether you're trying to save battery life during a long trip or just need to power down for a bit, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your Kindle Paperwhite 2025. It's that sleek e-reader you've been enjoying your favorite novels on. The power button is usually on the bottom bezel, right in the center. It's a small button that might be easy to miss if you're new to the device, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. To start, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. You'll see the screen light up with a few options, like Screen Off or Restart. If you're just wanting to turn it off completely, keep holding until you get to the full menu. Once you're there, use the touchscreen to select Power Off. It's that simple. Your Kindle will shut down gracefully, and the screen will go dark. Now, a quick tip. If your Kindle isn't responding or feels frozen, try holding the power button for a full 40 seconds for a hard reset. This can help if there's a glitch, but it's rare with the 2025 model. Remember, turning off your device regularly can extend its battery life, especially if you're not using it for a while. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered turning off your Kindle Paperwhite 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.